Well, fellow diamond painters and cross stitchers, I tried to do a video earlier and I just kept screwing things up. Like I said, I'm not a good teacher and I'm bad on explanations. It's 6:33. Well, just turned 6:34 p.m. It is the 8th April 2024. Eclipse was fantastic. Uh, got to see partial, total, and the all the aura around the sun. It was beautiful. So did get to see it, enjoyed it. It didn't last long, but it was good. So the way they want you to find the center on this, I'm going to try and give an explanation of this, and then show you how, and then try to put you on pause, and show you how I place it on my cross stitch stand, because I do not do these in hand. I cannot do that. So the way they want you to find the center, and that's the way I've always found the center. I had to do a little extra counting with this because I'm not familiar with the way they set this up. But you do fold it in half and then fold it again, and then you mark your center. So the center was about 1 stitch up from where I have this mark. So I dropped it down because this is the color that I pulled out. This will start with the red X, which is color 898, number 12, and that's what I have. Going to be hard to see. This is a very small chart. I suppose it's okay for people who can see real well. And anytime I stitched for that other company, I always had them blow the patterns up because it made it so much easier for me to see. And I'm not used to working with color patterns. Uh, so, uh, so my center is right about here where I just marked off one of the X's. And I'll be going over and over and up, covering these X's, these red X's, and then coming back down to do all the red ones down there. And that would be color 898. So the way that I place this on my rods, on my cross stitch stand is, okay, I use this Velcro. I ordered it a long time ago. I still had tons of it left. And it works great because I used to have rods where you had to sew your, you had to whip stitch your, oh, this has been on here for quite a while, whip stitch your canvas onto it. And I hated that because you could never get them tight enough. So this works a lot better. I need to get it out of the heat. Okay, so you just place it at the top. Whoops. Up. I don't have my camera where it should be, do I? You put it across, one side on the top. And you flip it over to the bottom. And you do the same thing on the bottom. Okay, this is my explanation, not anybody else's, but this is how I do it. Because on my rods, it will hold it really, really tight. Okay, so I have that on there. Now, I've got to try and pause you so that I can at least angle the camera over so you can see how I place this on here. Once I get it on here and do a couple stitches, if I can, because I'm going to try out my new light with the magnifier, and that might be about the extent of my explanations because I'm not sure you know, how boring this could possibly get. So hang in there, and I will try and get you moved over without losing you. Hold on. Okay, are we still here? Yeah, I think it's counting. I don't know how much of it you can see. I tried to move you over the best I can. Yes, I'm sitting cross-legged. So, anyhow, this is my, I'm going to have to raise you up. You're just a little, there we go. My light. Okay, this is my cross stitch stand. It's all metal. It's a System 4. I love it. I've had it for, since about 2014, 2015, something like that. I really love this. This is the smaller head, what they call the head, that'll expand out. Will expand out, and then I have a larger one for big cross stitch patterns. So it's got, Velcro, or this is the soft part, this is the Velcro part. So all I do is just line it up on there. Hope you can see that. Okay. Do the same with the bottom section. Okay, and then I turn the wheel. And I turn it down to the area, as close to the areas I want. Tighten that one up, and it's going to flop as soon as I do this because the material's tight. See? And then you do the same at the top. Hope you can see this. And it will get tight. I like my material. Oops. That one came loose. I like my material taut. I don't like trying to cross stitch. I basically want a quarter to bounce off of them, pretty much, because it makes it easier to stitch the holes. So you see, and I have the material on, or the thread on here. Now I'm hoping that this will work the way I want it to. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Oh, that's bright. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's bright. And, oh, yeah, I can see it. I suspect. Oh, goody, goody. Can you see me? Or see it? I can use this on here as well, so I can at least see what the heck I'm doing. So, oh, yeah. Best purchase my daughter made. Very, very good. Very good. I did notice I had it on the other day. It does get a bit warm, but I don't think it's going to get warm to the point where it's going to affect the material or anything else. I just hope you all can see some of this. I'm trying to explain it the best I can. They want a bit of a tutorial. So let's see here. I think I'm going to start using one of my own needles, though. I'm used to mine, and these are just feel a little different to me. But there would be three X's going up. Okay. So can you see? I think you can see. Like I said, it's been. Oh, this is a little blurry. There we go. So it's, I know you. If you can see it, great. I'm hoping so much that you can. Next time, I'm going to have to move the camera to where you can really see. I'm not sure how much you are seeing. I hope, Let me see. You should be able to see the stitches. Anyway, I hope so. That's 3 there, and then I would have to go up on top. I always do the half stitches. I do them half and I come back to make an X. And this is very easy once I figured this out. I mean, like I said, I'm not used to, others' style, of charts. So you skip one. And I'm not going to bore you with a whole lot more. I just want you to know that I'm going to work on this evening and see how much I can get done. And I think it's going to turn out pretty good, at least I hope. What I'm trying to figure out is if it's going to be real detailed, detailed enough. At least it looks like it will be. So I don't know how long this will take me. It shouldn't. The part that will probably take me the longest and will drive me a little banana cakes is solid. The solid, 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 solid. Just like diamond painting, solid, 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 And that, I usually take quite a few breaks, when it comes to that, because that will drive me insane. So, wish me luck. What I'll do is I'll work on this tonight, because I worked on the black cat from the other company. And I've got most all the words, the 2 things down there I showed you before, and I've got quite a bit of the cat's feet and legs done at the bottom. So what I'll do is tomorrow I will show you how much I've finished or I've gotten done on the cross stitch, and then I'll also give you a preview of the cat. So hope your eclipse, I hope you got to see everything. I hope you enjoyed it. My daughter took a couple photographs, but she said she thought she had her flash on by accident or something, but she saw it right when it was totally covered with the aura all around it and the thing, and all it came out was a big fireball type thing, but still, and a couple of the kids here, the teenagers, had never even seen an eclipse, and they were just like, oh my gosh, they were in awe. I mean, it was the neighbor's kids next door. They're really nice. And I let them use my glasses for a short time because the ones they had, they couldn't see anything. And when they put mine on, they went, oh my God, oh my God. Because then they could see. They could see how the moon was covering over, and they could get the idea of it. And it was nice to see younger kids or younger generation, in awe over something that maybe will be important in their life later on, like I got to see a total eclipse, So, uh, hope you enjoyed yours. Hugs to you all. I love you. Thanks for putting up with me. And with this, I'm trying my best in explanations. I will work on it and we will plug right on through with it. I will get back to my Pinson. I'll do that probably Wednesday because I want to spend 2 days on this and the other item. Half a day, and half a day and half a day on Tuesday, and then, back to Pinson on Wednesday. So, love you all. I hope you had, like I said, hope you had a good evening, a good day, and I will get back with you later. Hugs. Love y'all. DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.